Hi there my YouTube friend, welcome to another special video tutorial on how to make yourself a DIY flower using only colored A4 sheets. On my tutorial I use red A4 sheet and white A4 sheet. I want you to stay and watch this video till the end. Don't touch that red button, and also if you have not subscribed yet, please kindly take this video as a chance to hit the subscribe button. This will help me in so many ways. First, I took a cardboard paper and I drew a round circle, and then I picked up my scissors and I began cutting it. After I was done cutting, I lamented the surface of the cardboard cutting with a white A4 sheet. Any white A4 sheet will do. First, I applied my glue before I lamented the white A4 sheet to hold this in place. After I was done lamenting my white paper, I separated the double A4 sheet. Then I trim out the sides of the white paper to reduce the sideways so that I can overlap them onto the cardboard, the round cardboard. Just keep eyes on the tutorial as I show you everything from now till the end, and I believe you will understand and be enthused to make one yourself. I'll see you at the end of the video. Bye guys, thanks for watching. And this is almost getting to the end of the flower. I want to cut a round circle and place at the middle to give it a pop look. And if you like this flower and this video as well, kindly give me a subscribe and also a thumbs up. And again, if you haven't subscribed, please, I'm waiting for your subscribe, and this can help me grow my channel. Thank you for watching, and God bless you every day. Please share it to your loved ones for them to learn also how to make a wall hanging flower. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.